All right, so we're back at it. It's a PM session trade now. Again, we're seeing price deliver, so we want to see price stay below this 1 minute inversion fair value gap. Right, we want to see that happen. So you see where I have my stop loss nice and tight. This is really the entry at a fair value gap. Let me delete this. There we go. We're seeing price deliver. We also had an SMT take place here. So Nasdaq actually decided to run higher. Meanwhile, um, we didn't see S&P do the same thing. So this is one of the reasons why I'm in this sell. Just want to see if we get like a little run lower. So I'm watching these lows right here. I want to see this get tagged. I'm also keeping in mind the fact that we have this over here as an order block that previously supported price. So that could give a stop to the price run. So I'm paying attention to that as well. All right. And this was lunch. Let me just highlight lunch price action. Lunch price action is here. So lunch. And then PM session starts at 13 o'clock. So this is lunch price action. Then we have PM session start, take out those highs, and now we're dropping. Perhaps we can get some run on liquidity. We've got one right here, but I want to see us get a little deeper and maybe to this order block here. And if we have momentum, who knows? Maybe we wash out everything that happened at 10 a.m. Right? Maybe wash out 10 a.m. candles lows right here. But I want to see price at least get to this order block, and I can take something off there, and then perhaps over here. So see if we get that. Yeah, at this point, I do not want to see price start trading above this inversion fair value gap. It'll be pointless. Okay. This is a second attempt at trying to catch themselves with this inversion fair value gap idea, and I want to see if we can get some deliveries lower. But price again, see if price gives us that this Monday, and it just drifted all the way higher all today. And I just want to see if we can catch some type of pullback. What does suck that I don't like now is we do have this 5 minute fair value gap here. The price could touch and still be valid. But I'd rather not see that. Hmm. Let's do this. Let's do this. Yeah, I still right now see run up above here, but just so I'm protected, just because the 5 minute does trump these lower time frames, and if it does decide to go up in here, it can. There's a fair value gap here that can still drop price low. So honestly, I feel more comfortable putting this back here. It is what it is. If it does come to knock us out, knock me out, it is what it is. It doesn't need to come back here. All right, let's learn from our last mistake earlier today. We had a fair value gap overcame, and then I still held on to trade, took a loss, but no need. This is really the real reason. One of the reasons, one of the things I really want to see price maintain is this inversion fair value gap. So stop loss above here is appropriate. All right. We'll buy them in here. Okay. So yeah, I just want to see more momentum, guys. More momentum. More momentum, right? To close off the day. See if price get down here. Mind you, while this is happening, we're not seeing the same energy from S&P 500. S&P 500 is maintaining its strength. So again, these are just very funny conditions. But in terms of what price is like wants to deliver lower. So we're sticking to that. S&P might be picking up, might be finding some sell side. Watching that closely. Here we go. Five-minute oil block here. That was very, very good. Right here. Nice. That should hold price. Here goes the market scam being weird. This is a very, very sorry markets. Legitly. I have no words for these markets. Zero words for these markets, guys. Zero words. Oh wow. Beautiful. Beautiful, guys. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful.
Order filled. Order filled.
Oh, beautiful trade.
Order filled.
There she go. Very beautiful, beautiful mark, guys. That's what we talk about. That's what we talk about, guys. That's what we're talking about. Okay. I initially got annoyed, but I guess they're up something big. When they start pushing price up here, you hear my tone. I'm not gonna delete the audio because it's real life how people feel, and I'm keep the raw emotions in here. I was about to get pissed off because I was like, these freaking markets are doing this shit again. You know, they've been very manipulated, but you know, they did go up there, still level that we expected to respect price. And part of me, truly speaking, was like, I'm just gonna close the trade out because this momentum here. But the other part that's more professional goes, just accept the risk anyways, right? It didn't hit your stop loss. Been many occasions where price has gotten close to hitting my stop loss, and sometimes I just get out and it never hits it and it just rejects. So there was a perfect example. We saw price move with that momentum, boom, and you heard my reaction, right? What I said, and then now we see that immediate drop in price, and I was dancing around, so I'm completely out. And this is the executions. So nice little drop to end the day. This is why you gotta know when to be on these markets, right? The timing matters. Came back PM session, sells. You see the exits, nice and beautiful. They end up taking that liquidity pool, right? I mentioned I might hit this order block. You can see how, yes, it took liquidity pool, but notice it's to respect these set of down close candles, and now we're having some type of reaction here. So took some money, partials off here, and then some at the lows. We couldn't quite get down here. Maybe does it still, but like, hey, nice trade on a day that's really just been going up higher. We caught a quick, almost 70-point drop, right? So there you have it. Beautiful trade, beautiful execution, even with these fuzzy markets. Until next time, conquer the charts, man. Conquer the charts.